In today's video, I'm going to show you the massive changes inside alien worlds which no one expects to happen. And that changes is you do not have any captcha when you are mining right now. So as you can see here, I'm going to wait for around 35 seconds before I can mine again. And captcha is really a big deal inside alien worlds as well. And of course, I'm also going to explain to you its downside, its effects in the next future days to come in the recent update. So we're going to prepare in mining right now. So as you can see here, Thunderdome is still not available. You can stake your TLM as well. But the thing here is, of course, when you're mining, okay? So let's click the mine button right here. As you can see here, mining is now in progress, okay? And just claim it, and you will see what differs this time. As you can see here, there's no captcha here. What you just need to do is to approve this one, okay? So just click the approve button right here, and then it will fetch the mine delay, and you will get an TLM, okay? So that's how simple it is right now, rather than before. So what we can expect on this one? The first thing, of course, is CPU errors on Wax is still not fixed. So even though you can mine a lot more easier, even though it's a lot more convenient for you to play Alien Worlds, the CPU error is still going to hurt you a lot. So what you just need to do here is, of course, just go to the resources button and then go to the CPU section right here. As you can see here, I do have 26 watts stake inside, and you really can't avoid this one. But I think some Filipinos are saying that if you do have more than 120 watts, you can survive more. Okay, you can play more on games inside the Wax blockchain, especially Alien Worlds. You can grind more. But as of now, the current meta is, of course, mining at drills, because drills is around 4 minutes, and it's not going to hurt your CPU a lot. However, Exo Gloves is around 2 minutes. So that is the main difference on that. And yeah, I mean, this is still not fixed. And of course, for you to change your items right here, just click this one. If you do have any items, just click this button right here. So I'm going to show it to you again so that you will be informed. So let's click the mine button again. So as you can see here, mine is now in progress. You may go back to home screen. So if you claim this one, there will be no captcha. Only you just need to approve this one. Okay, this is pretty much beautiful. Okay, because it's really annoying to solve these captcha problems, especially if you are doing the captcha really good, and then Google or some browser will tell you that it is incorrect. So that is the recent update on Alien Worlds, guys. As of now, Planet Binance is still not available. Thunderdome is not yet released, and of course, the bots as well into this game is not yet fixed as well. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this one. This is just a short tutorial, short update in Alien Worlds, and thank you for watching.